Final project for English 4 by Andrea Acevedo, and it's about the project of Teatro del Agua. A solution very sustainable in order to obtain fresh water from air. It's a project in Las Palmas, Canary Islands in Spain, by the Seawater Greenhouse. The project follows the principles of sustainable design. But first, I'll start by defining who Seawater Greenhouse is. The seawater greenhouse is a unique concept which combines natural process, simple construction techniques, and mathematical computer modeling to provide a low-cost solution to one of the world's greatest needs: fresh water. The seawater greenhouse is a new development that offers sustainable solutions to the problem of providing water for agriculture in arid coastal regions. A recent architectural competition for redevelopment of the harbor area of Las Palmas in Canary Islands has given them the opportunity to expand on the seawater greenhouse concept, working in collaboration with the architects Nicholas Greenshaw and partners, who designed the Eden project. The company and the architects include ways in which the island could move towards self-sufficiency in renewable energy and fresh water. The scheme uses coupled evaporators and condensers to produce large quantities of distilled water. The Canary Islands, being volcanic in origin, have various depth sizes. An added benefit for the scheme is that the Canary Islands have a very steady and warm northeasterly wind. The combination of these two environmental factors, the warm wind aiding evaporation, and the deep sea water creating a very cold condensing surface, creates a highly productive water purification system. The Teatro del Agua utilizes energy from the sun, the sea, and the atmosphere to create cooling and fresh water. The process is based on the seawater greenhouse concept, but the principles are not limited to agriculture and may really be adapted to the built environment. The conditions of the island may all be used to provide sustainable and low-cost methods of cooling and the production of fresh water. This energy is renewable, carbon-free, and unlimited in its abundance. As the cooling process is driven by solar energy, evaporating surface seawater, and thermal stratification with depth. In the process, if the temperature of an air-to-water heat exchanger is constantly below the ambient dew point temperature, and if its surface is exposed to the wind, water vapor will condense into fresh water continuously. The rate of condensation increases with increased air temperature and humidity, and there are various methods of augmenting this with solar energy. The potential exists to produce fresh water at less cost than any other desalination system, and using only renewable energy for the process, with cool air as a free byproduct. The water produced is of distilled quality, similar to dew or rain, and doesn't need any chemical treatment, unlike all other desalination processes. In short, it's an environmental building following the principles of sustainable design. The building which first improves the quality of life for local people, whose project is less cost and with materials that allow the work last as much as possible. To this, we must narrow that the building doesn't use fuel or power of the state, but instead gets its energy by water and wind power plants and solar energy. It's a building that could change the world and be a role model. In addition to that, help the humanity without impacting on the environment, and it provides a service to the city. which in this case is a theater.